you. And then...
All right, on this video of Nut Family Homestead, we got two tractors here. Gunner's working on a 3010 propane, and he thinks something's funny. He's working on changing the batteries. Over here, we have a 3020 diesel. Has a broken front end. Yeah, we're gonna swap front ends because this diesel's my brother-in-law's, and if we swap front ends, we're going to take ownership of this propane. So this one also needs a injection pump changed, lift pump, batteries, and a few other things. This one needs a bath. We just bought it off a farm auction. It needs several things. Tune up. Neither one have ran for quite a while. We just put some propane in this one, pushed it up with the skid loaders. Gunner is working on cleaning the battery. So that's where we're going to start. I don't even know the years of these yet. This one's been cleaned up. He's gonna put new tires and pretty much do a little mini restoration of it. This one we're just gonna clean up and make it user friendly. We'll do some time lapse or video of cleaning them up. Alright, Gunner's got the battery terminals cleaned up and hooked up. That's a positive ground system on these old tractors. Battery's dead, so we get that charging right now. While it charges, we checked some oil. It's a little bit low, but it'll work to start it. Hydraulic oil was good. These old tractors, like I said, this is a propane, so when you do start it, you have a liquid valve and a vapor valve, and you start on liquid. So you open this up, fire it up, and as it warms up, you open up your, and it's been a while so I could be wrong on all this, but open up your vapor as you close down your liquid, and then you run on vapor when it's warm, operating temp. But as that's charging, the 3020, the injection pump, most likely the seals are out. He wants to go ahead and replace it anyways because the crankcase is pretty much clear full of diesel, so we're not going to really mess with anything there until we get the injection pump replaced, new lift pump, change the oil. So we ain't gonna do much on this one besides change the front end. Somebody's welded the front end, that's why he wants it changed. And we're gonna run that one, this front end, if it don't break as we're taking it apart, on the propane burner until we find a different front end. And as far as propane, the liquid and vapor, as the engine warms up, well, like on this pickup over here, has a converter. This also runs on propane. And as you start the engine, you don't have to switch to vapor because this is called a converter that runs antifreeze through a bunch of channels in here, little ports, and as that warms up, this liquid automatically turns into a vapor, which in turn goes to your mixer or carb on the motor. And that's why when you start a propane like this one, it smells kind of rich for a little bit until it warms up and creates a vapor. So we'll have another video on this one because it's currently needs some ignition work done to it. And that will be another video. This was my grandpa's pickup that we restored a few years ago, and now it's kind of been neglected a little bit, but we will fix it up. So in the meantime, you'll probably watch us stare at this for a while as you wait for it to run. Alright, so that battery's no good. So we have a new one here. And the end's bad, which Gunner's going to show you how to put a new end on right here. So basically he's going to cut that off, strip that back, and put it on, and he will show you how to do that. In the meantime, I've been trying to free up this choke cable because it's all gummed up. So you ready to show him?
Yeah, I need. How do you want me to strip the wire?
With that same tool you got. So let's go here, squeeze through the wire, you can twist it,
okay,
and you can pop it off.
We still got a little more left.
Hmm?
We still got a little more left.
That's the gist of it. So you do that. I'll grab a crimper.
Okay. Thought I cut it all the way through. Yeah, I did. It just needs to come off there. Dude, I don't even know if it's coming off.
Get it?
Try and get this off. Here.
Sometimes you might have to use your knife to get it off there.
Okay.
So we're going to go a little bit farther. See that's corroded?
Is it gonna be enough? Oh, I guess we usually.
Yeah.
Can
There
we
we
move
go.
this?
So, yeah, you can move that. There's probably a tool that's used for this, but we're basically just going to smash it down. I'm gonna grab a hammer.
Yeah.
You smash it down. We're literally gonna smash it on there. Now that's on there. Gunner will put the rest together. And I'm going to, while he does that, I got some compressed air. I'm going to try to blow some PB Blaster down that. See if that helps penetrate it. And we might blow off some of the motor while we're at it.
Are you making a video right now?
And that's Charlie. Yeah, but I figure we get some of the air off of it. Or not air, but grease.
That's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna put it on.
That is probably a 10.
10?
Yep.
Whoa.
You see his hook that he had?
What? What's that for?
I don't know. Something Eldon had.
This is Eldon?
Mm-hmm. So Gunner's got that buttoned up. He's going to put the charger back on it for a little bit. And as we were walking around it, this tractor was actually one of our neighbors that's passed away. And we're just looking at, he's an old bachelor and he just made things work. Like, you'll notice this hook that's stuck in the frame. Don't know what he used it for, probably grabbing twine or something off a bale, who knows. We'll probably leave that there. Over here, notice that he has a toothbrush in the frame, like that. I have no idea what he used it for, but I assume, well, I could guess that maybe to clean the points, maybe. I'm not really sure. But kind of interesting. But he just made do with what he got. He's got his random stuff on the back. picked up bales with this, one at a time. We baled quite a few bales for him. It's pretty cool. So next time you come back here, we're going to hopefully be getting ready to start it. All right, it's been charged. We blew some of the stuff off the motor. Gunner's getting ready to fire it up, or attempt to. I looked at the cap and rotor and it needs replaced, but I think it will start. We haven't done nothing with it yet. So we'll put you over here and we're going to try to start it. Up, left foot, or sorry, liquid. Okay, you hear that open?
Yep.
Okay, that's
Keep
good.
going.
That's good. Pull the choke out.
All the way or just
Yep,
half?
all the way. Okay, that's good.
Oh, it's
Give it a little bit of throttle. So,
oh, yeah.
right there on the steering column.
Oh.
Go all the way up. Now that is,
Yeah.
okay, now go down a little bit. All right, there. You're in park, your clutch is engaged or disengaged. Go ahead and try starting it. If it starts, you can shut the choke. Go ahead. bit, switch it over to vapor, probably drive it around a little bit. Probably power wash it yet today. And I'll probably do it for this video. love the smell of that propane. Get that battery temporaried up for now, and then we'll drive it around and give it a bath. Get back with you in a little bit. All right, well, got it going. Move stuff out of the way. We're gonna take it for a little drive. Make sure it has brakes, and then Gunner can drive it and power wash it. Yeah, you can move it.
Okay. You want me to just follow you and just walk around and video you?
Yeah, it's running right now. And I'm in Eldon proud. We got that battery secured with bungee straps for the time being. That would be Eldon approved, I believe. So, see how it works. Gunner's moving the pickup, probably dumped the tools all over the ground. Fire it up, go for a little drive.
I think he's gonna take you on a little drive down the road. All right, here he comes. Looks like it's going pretty good so far. Check, the PTO worked, 3-point, everything. What? Then on the back, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the back of the trailer, or on top of the trailer over there, there's a John Deere B. I'm gonna sell that.
First time Gunner's driving a synchro transmission, so he's getting used to it. shift to fifth here, I think. Well, he's going to keep her in second. I don't think you pulled that. Oh, you got it. While he's driving that, hopefully he's paying attention to the road. Gunner had a John Deere B that his uncle gave him that he's actually going to sell on auction next weekend. He's wanting to get maybe an A or a M or something like that, or he might try to steal that one. But let him drive it around and he's going to wash it, and we'll show you what it looks like cleaned up, and that'll be it. Good? Alright. Drive it around the greenhouse back down and then we'll wash it. Park it over by Cal's pen. Getting in there.
What?
Said you're getting in there and dirty, ain't you?
Yeah.
Toothbrush bit the dust. So we got it cleaned up. Looks a lot better. We think we know where a lot of the oil is coming from. Here. Up there, you probably can't see it. The lockout is leaking to the propane. So we'll have to get a new gasket for that. Found a rain cap that my grandpa had in his stuff a long time ago. It's probably collectibles, but we are going to put it on there and use it. Gunner's got a battery charger because the battery's gone dead. We washed it, and of course we got water in the cap, so it wasn't on the fire, so we took that apart, blew it out with air, and got some starting fluid to blow spray in there that dissipates the water. So we do have fire now. We just want to get fired up, hopefully drive it up by the garage and probably pull the hood, probably not today, but get some parts to fix that leak and go from there. So we got it running again. Had to clean that or get more water out of the points, and the points were a little corroded. Should have showed you that, but we didn't. Aaron's putting that away. He's gonna pull it up in front of the garage. Old cow dog, my wire here, go let him out. Cow, whoa. Whoa. He's wondering why I'm videoing him. Okay, 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 boy, okay. Got the rain cap on. Everything looks good, sounds good. And that's about it. We'll start probably next figure out the propane leak, raise the hood on that, and maybe tomorrow or next project's going to probably be that. Pulling the front end out, swapping them, and then tackling that project. Looks a lot better cleaned up. But we're going to have to tackle propane leaks. Go. So we have a leak up here on the liquid valve. I don't know for sure, probably a packing or something. And then we have a leak on the lockout, and the converter is right up here, like I was showing you earlier on that pickup. And I guess I can show you the lockout on there too. So this is the lockout. It's keyed switch. So when you key it, it clicks, obviously. It's a solenoid, lets propane to the converter. And that's actually, well, it's not how you shut it off. I mean, obviously you don't have ignition, but that's just part of the system. So I'm assuming this gasket is leaking, or a hose, who knows. But I'm sure there's a lot of things leaking on there dry, but I think that's a lot of the oil mess that was all over the motor. But it could be the valve cover, and hard to say. All right, well, see you later.
Yeah. Okay.
Till next time.